This is your story, Will.
Yeah.
Take an hour-long interactive ride aboard the world's largest model railroad. This is quite cool.
Have you seen the Germany Wunderland?
Is that a YouTube channel or an amusement park?
It's an amusement park, but everything's miniature.
Oh, wow.
So it's a miniature city, and I just want to play a little bit of it while I get some facts straight while you look at this. So I think it's 16,000 square feet.
Yo, this is 27 million views, this clip. Oh.
As you can see, like, it's a sprawling neighborhood, but it's miniaturized. There's trains, there's buildings, there's bridges, there's working cars that move around. This is their airport, which has all the great lighting. And this is in Germany, in Hamburg. And they recently built a 53,000 feet train track where, these trains kind of go by the city and you can follow it. And you can visit this place.
This camera work is incredible to make it seem like an actual thriving city. Some of these camera moves and the way they're using different lenses.
Through the mountains.
Like this moving shot.
Yeah, that's very impressive.
The moving shot really sells it. It's so lively. There was like a car at the train track with the brake lights on.
Yes. Yeah, they really make it convincing. Like it's a real life city.
Look at that cruise ship.
With real water. And there's 18-wheelers. Just kind of like doing its job. It's like
sick.
city.
It's very cool. So this is the largest model railway in the world.
Yes, and this is the largest model in the world.
Whoa, look at the mist. Look at the
feet.
mist coming off the building. Or is that smoke? That's a fire.
It's smoke, yeah.
That's a fire. The fire trucks are responding.
Yeah.
Damn, this is better than a video game.
It's very cool.
So accurate.
They recently made a 360 video. Actually, let me just go to there. So the YouTube channel is called Miniature Wunderland.
Sounds delicious.
They made a 360 video that they strapped the camera on a train, and you can kind of see and interact with.
Somebody in the chat says, is there any crime?
There's, yeah.
I don't know. Maybe.
There might be.
I don't know. Maybe.
There might be.
Somebody else in the chat, Ronald says, Toronto has something like this called Little Canada at Yonge and Dundas. I didn't know that.
I didn't know that either. That's very cool.
So anyway, you get to be on the miniature railroad track in a kind of POV 360-degree video.
And this track apparently goes through the whole town where you can literally see everything, but on YouTube. So you can navigate the 360 view by yourself and just see everything. The inner workings as well, because the train goes through the tunnel. But it's not just like you see everything, like the mountains and stuff. You see like the underworkings of it as well.
Yeah, I like the idea of what POV lets you do here is be miniature yourself.
Yeah.
You are miniature. And it really, it does sell it, except for the huge people looking at you.
It's just giants. You go over the canyon. It's kind of cool.
So how long is the entire trip? Is it an hour long? My God, it takes you an hour to go through it.
Yeah, it's huge.
That's enormous. Very cool. Good find, Will.
But yeah, it's fun.
Miniature Wonderland.
Go check it out.
Have a time. You said it's in Hamburg? Oh, you just want people to check out the virtual version.
Yeah.
You don't have to go anywhere.
Exactly.
That's the beauty of it. Or go to Hamburg.
You could, yeah.
You know, there's a dispute about the origin of hamburgers.
Really?
And whether or not whether there was any kind of Hamburg component. I had an amazing hamburger in Berlin, so
they did something right.
I don't know. Something might be going on.
Yeah.
I can neither confirm nor deny, and I think people will probably dispute the origin of the hamburger probably till the end of time. But that reminds me, maybe I might get some lunch right now. Thank you very much to everybody who joined. Thank you to everybody who gave us the super chats today. We really do appreciate it. We love doing this show. We love that you love being a part of it, especially live. I know we had a bit of a break there. It wasn't by choice. Mm-hmm. And we're going to keep this consistency up. We're aiming at like noon, okay?
That's the
I know
goal.
we were later today, but that's why it's called Lou Later.
That's why.
Sometimes no, it's not. No, it's not. That's not true. I think we're going to be able to get this noon thing going. So for those that have been wondering, noon Eastern time, if you want to join live, of course, it's available after the fact through all types of platforms. You can either just watch it on demand or listen to the audio. So like that's always available to you, but we love having you live if you can join. So if you want to try that on for size, then come back tomorrow around noon Eastern Standard Time, North America time. Figure out what that is, I guess, in your own region, depending on where you happen to be in the world. Mm-hmm. Thank you again for joining. We'll see you tomorrow.